Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about Traffic Unleashed. So before we go start, see this amazing video. If you want get traffic to your website, blog, and this software will help you to generate viral traffic in 41 seconds. So benefit of this software is unleash free viral traffic in 41 seconds, 100% beginner friendly, all-in-one traffic and sales system, 100% done for you, auto content, viral traffic that turns into sales, 100% cloud-based, unleash traffic on any device, 30 days money traffic challenge, and $500 cash price for most traffic generated, 30 days money back guarantee. Check the beta terms teaser result below. No monthly fees ever. So start. In just 3 steps you get many traffic to your website and blog. So first, log into your affiliate cloud based software. Second, add your affiliate link. Third step is relax, as the software gets you free ultra engaged traffic sales in 41 seconds. So just free viral traffic that converts into a sales. See this amazing result. I will put this link on description section. So see this information from there and buy it from there. You will get huge bonus. So most of the things I tired felt misbehaved by paid advertising, being on camera, list building, SEO, blogging, solo ads, FB ads, article writing. If you want any traffic, you will. So if you are tired of this thing, you will buy this software and get huge traffic to your website and blog. See this amazing result here. Secret traffic source of this software is from the three of the largest social media traffic giants: Facebook, his younger brother Instagram, and their little cousin of Twitter. Imagine getting free viral traffic from without paying for ads and without having to create any content or interact with anyone. And due to current situation, everyone are using Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Traffic source of 1.73 billion people on average are logging into Facebook daily. 500 million people are using Instagram daily. 33 million visitors per day on Twitter. They virtually untapped. I'm not talking about hiring expensive graphic designer, spending endless hours trying to create eye-catching posts using photo editing software. That's why you will buy this software and get huge traffic for your website, blogs, and everything. So this revolutionary software removes all the manual work for you, allows you to create and edit stunning, ultra engaged visual and autopilot. Choose from a never-ending supply of the latest trending images, gifts, quote as your traffic magnets, user traffic to make autopilot content which gets noticed even in the most competitive. Instantly siphon high quality free traffic for your website and blog. So get free traffic without doing anything like being on camera, list building, paid advertising, test skill, previous experience, setting up funnels, huge budget, any complicated training. So don't need this thing. If you buy this software, you will get huge traffic for your website without doing anything for manual work. See this amazing result from customer who already use this software. So what you will get inside one stunning dashboard. So one click technology, point and click simple built-in editor, auto publish technology, DFI autopilot, scheduler, detail analytics report, retargeting profit boost, customer hashtags, and many more things. See this post, see this Instagram post, see this Facebook post. If you buy this software, that you will allow you to sell affiliate products, sell high ticket products, sell physical products, build a list, become a financially free. So buy it now from 3 steps. Log in into your affiliate cloud-based software, add your affiliate link and real access. The software gets you free alter, engaged viral traffic and sells in 41 seconds. See this amazing result. I will put this link on description section. So check information from there and buy it from there. See this information. So you get everything you need to get viral traffic and sales today. So first is brand new traffic unleashed software. The worth of this software is $497. You will get free with this software in $17. Step by step video tutorials. The worth of step by step video tutorial is $297. Third one is friendly customer support. Worth is $197. Agency license. So anyone use this software like affiliate marketer, local small business owner, product creator, list builder, e-commerce website owners, info product seller, advertiser, podcaster, social media marketer, stay-at-home parents, authors, coaches, students, retired people, network marketers, B2B marketers, a non-profit organization. This software is for everyone who want traffic to your website, blog, and every other thing. See this review by customer. One more review. If you use photos, then this software will charge $30 monthly fees and $45 monthly fees. If you buy this software, then you will get free software of photos. So if you buy this product from my link, you will get huge bonus. So first bonus is $15 per month passive income training. The bonus worth of $5,485. The value of first bonus is $997. Second bonus is free funnel builder. The value of second bonus is $97. Third bonus is 40% of upgrade 1. Value of this bonus 3 is $197. Bonus 4 VIP customer support 24/7 into VIP support. Value of fourth is the bonus 5 worth of value of $97. Premium agency license. The total value is 2129. So bonus 5 is premium agency license. The worth of bonus 5 is $197. So total value of $2129. And one more bonus. After buy, you will get 500 cash bonus. The rules are simple. Whoever generated most traffic from the first 100 customer over the next 30 days win $500 cash prize. So here you only have a two choice. First one is continue to struggle to get traffic to your website and blog. Second with to buy this software and get traffic to your website without doing anything. So first choice is with all traffic method. So second choice is with new traffic method. So here a quick recap of what you will get inside in traffic unless software. So first one is new traffic unless software, worth is $497. Step by step video tutorials worth $297. World class friendly support $197. Agency license worth $497. 5 platinum bonus worth $2129. So total value of everything you will get on today $6973. But today only one time $17. So buy it now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will put this link on description section. So check all information from there and buy it from there. Thank you so much for watching my video. Good luck.